Greetings. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the Stain Remover Shout Spray. It comes in different versions. So right here I have the triple action. I also have the gel, and then I also have the concentrated. And what I'll do is I'll usually buy a concentrated bottle, and then I'll just fill up my triple action spray bottle. Best product I've ever come across to remove stains. I've been using it for about 15-20 years. It'll get out oil, food, grease, blood, you name it, it'll get it out. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Alright, so right here you see a really bad food stain here on a shirt. If you could, the quicker that you can get the spray on it, the better, but not necessary. You might not even realize it for a week that you got a stain on a shirt. So you see, it doesn't matter what kind of stain it is. What you're going to do is you're going to generously spread it over the whole thing. And what you're going to do is you're going to get both hands and you're going to rub like this, the stain. Really good. And like I said, you put a generous amount of spray onto the stain. If it's gel, same concept. You just simply just push on there and rub while you're squeezing. And then after you get a generous amount on there, go ahead and rub like this, both hands. All right. Now, you want to make sure that your clothes washer is full. So as you can see here, I got it full, because what it's going to do is it's going to use the other clothing as friction in order to get out the stain. So your other clothes will actually use friction in order to help get out the stain. Go ahead and put your regular laundry detergent in just like usual to clean your other dirty clothes. All right. And that should be good once it gets out. Once your wash is done, go ahead and inspect the stain. See if it got it out. If you do dry it, you'll never get that stain out. So either one, try it again with another load, spray it again very generously, a lot of it on there, and try again. If it doesn't get it out the second time, most likely that article of clothing is no good any longer. You'll just have to throw it away or just wear it like it is with the stain. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know if you've been using the Shout spray to get out stains, and make sure you subscribe.